ActiveTrack is the most advanced, reliable system for monitoring the time, place, and results of the personnel work. By the combined benefits of GPRS communication and RFID reading, ActiveGuard can be used as a guard tour system, a personal protection system, and a voice communication device. ActiveGuard ensures the ability to react immediately, which helps increase the safety and quality of work. It gives an instant irregularity warning. Easy to use and easy to configure, ActiveTrack is the best solution for lone workers like security guards, cleaning staff, and logistics employees. It provides communication, employee supervision, and security. Each box includes the AT device and also a power supply, a docking station, 2 pieces of 125 kHz RFID tags, and an Allen key for opening the battery cover. An ActiveTrack device can be configured in 2 ways: by using a set of AGP3 cables or by sending a text message to the device's card number. Using the dedicated AGP3 cable set, you can configure all device parameters and diagnose a server's connection status, battery level, and GSM signal strength. For correct configuration, you need an ActiveTrack device, an AGP3 PROG cable set, and an RS-232 to USB adapter. Some laptops have an RS-232 port, in which case the adapter is unnecessary. You also need a device setup wizard that may be downloaded from EBS website. Login EBS, password EBS, or by sending an email to support@ebs.pl. The configuration wizard should be installed like any other software. The first step of the configuration is to insert a battery into the socket on the device PCB board and to ensure that the battery is charged. After placing ActiveTrack into docking station, the battery status is indicated by a blue light on the Call Me button. Blinking indicates charging, continuous light indicates charged status. Next, take out the battery without disconnecting it and plug the AGP3 board into the device. Upon proper connection, the diodes on the AGP3 board will light up. Connect the white LX PROG cable into the black PROG socket on the board. ActiveTrack switches to programming mode, which is indicated by the panic button rapidly flashing in red. The second socket is used exclusively for testing at the manufacturing stage. Connect the white cable directly to the computer using the RS-232 port or a USB adapter. In the device manager of the operating system, check serial port number where the device is connected. In this case, it will be COM3. Open the configuration wizard using the desktop icon. Click on Connections icon. The connection definition window appears. In the RS-232 tab, enter a custom name for the connection and select the appropriate port, in example the one to which the device is connected. Close the connections definition window and click on the green arrow symbol, which means reading settings from the device. Select the connection kind defined a moment ago. Enter the default service code 1111. Confirm using the read button. The configuration has been downloaded from the device. Define server IP address and server port. In this window, you can also set the frequency of sending the GPRS test events to the server and also the APN name, which depends on the SIM card GSM provider. After reading the configuration of ActiveTrack, serial number of the device appears in the lower left corner of the window. In this window, you can change the default service code and the SIM card's PIN. Entering an incorrect PIN may result in blocking the card. Enter the left tab entitled Device Parameters. Here you can enable the Man Down feature, set the RFID reading properties, and set the volume for the ringtone and notifications. It is recommended to use the default microphone sensitivity settings. In the GPS Parameters tab, you can enable Ignore Inaccurate Positions for route tracking and select Positioning Accuracy on the map. In the Monitoring tab, you can choose the events to be sent from the device. In the Additional Data Window tab, you can tick more information included in the events. in the Notifications tab, you can set the phone number where ActiveTrack will make a call and send text messages with GPS position. After configuring all tabs, send the configuration to the device by clicking on the red arrow icon. Configuration by text message is very fast and simple. This way, you can set only basic parameters. Remember that the SIM card inserted into the device should not be protected with a PIN code, otherwise it may become blocked. Send a text message with the following command to the number of the SIM card of the device, where 1111, this is the default service code, 94.42.165.180. This is the ActiveView receiving server's IP address. If the customer wants to use their own application, they should enter the server's IP for that application. 7407. This is the server's port number. Internet, APN name of the GSM provider. getCFG, a command returning the configuration to the phone. All commands should be separated by a space sign. After sending the configuration, insert the SIM card into ActiveTrack. The Reading button starts blinking faster. It means connecting to the server. To check the device's status connection to the server, plug in the black LX data cable. Connect the debug plug to the computer and register jack into the black socket on the AGP3 board. After plugging the cable, click on Device Monitor and select the same port that was defined at the beginning. Confirm using the button next to it. The configuration wizard displays the following information: device battery level, GSM signal strength, connection status. The device may be tested by pushing one of the buttons, for example Panic. In the log window, notifications about successful sending the event to the server will appear. When the GPRS button lights up in green, it means successful communication with the server. With the ActiveTrack device, we offer compatible ActiveView cloud software that may be accessed online from any place through an internet browser. The application enables monitoring and protecting employees, planning patrol routes, processing alarm events in real time. To start working with ActiveView, please contact EBS Sales Manager or send an email to create an account. The email should contain the device's serial number, which may be found on the box or on the battery cover. After receiving a return email with the account login and password, log in at www.activeview.pl. The basic function of the ActiveView application is to receive events such as Panic, Man Down, Sabotage, Shock, GPS data. A complete user manual for ActiveView application is available online at www.help.activeview.pl. Visit website www.activetrack.pl to see the full list of available applications that support the ActiveTrack device.